Shares for beginners.
It comes down to your own level of conviction and if you are going to invest on your own behalf, because then when a stock falls 20%, what are you doing? Are you buying, are you selling, and why?
It's so hard to pick a stock. Even analysts get it wrong. Their career is focused on trying to find stocks. If anyone is successfully picking stocks, doubtless they're keeping it to themselves. Or they're picking it first and then letting everybody else know.
Education system has let people down, I think, when it comes to their finances. We're just not taught how to watch out for ourselves financially, and I think that's wrong.
Whether we like it or not, we're all investors in the share market, either directly or through our superannuation. Who's looking after our investments? And how can we take control?
Well, it's even worse if you have a lot of money. Why would you want to pay a lot of fees if you've got a lot of money? I think there's nothing there when you're paying all of this money for the most extravagant advice.
Where do you go if you're completely new but want to start learning? And if you want to invest directly in the market yourself. The jargon is dense and it can feel like we're being kept deliberately in the dark. You'll hear from people in the finance industry and together we'll explain the key concepts of investing while they share their financial knowledge. More importantly, they have insights that allow us to look under the hood of the share market, explaining how it works and what to look out for.
We have to be smart, we have to be diversified, and we have to have good risk management strategies if we want to invest for the long term, and that's what we're all about.
I'm Phil Muscatello. Join me on Shares for Beginners. Let's learn together.